Good morning everyone. Grade 5th, how are you? So today we will do page number 95 from your reading book. Okay, so see the first vocab of this chapter. See, these all are country names in French, these all are in English. Okay, so once read all these, I'm telling the sounds. This is L'Angleterre, L'Allemagne, Spain, Italy, and la piscine, la Chine, la France, le Canada, le Japon, le cinéma, okay, le jardin, les États-Unis. Okay, some country names are there, okay, and some are vocab. So once read these all. Okay, so and see the next page exercises. See the exercise 1, fill in the blanks. Okay, and names are given here like Richard. So okay, see the first one, Richard A. We have to choose Chinese or French, Chinois or Francais. Okay, so according to the name, this is a French name. Okay, Richard. So Richard A. Francais. Richard is French. Okay, so second one, Ila Yuinami. Okay, he has a friend, and we can write how we know this is ill. This is masculine form, but how we know he's talking about the feminine friend, because this one is AMIA, army. It's if AMI, it means a friend is masculine. Okay, if and AMIE, it means friend is feminine. That's why we choose feminine. Both are the feminine. Okay, so you can take anyone. So we will go with Chinois, CHINOIS. Okay, this one. Okay, then see Yoko Habitation, Chine et France. According to the name, these names are Chinese, so we write Chine. Yoko Habitant, Yoko live in China. Okay, then fourth, Peter A. Okay, Peter is name of like English name can go or German name. Okay, so it's a masculine form. Okay, Peter. So both are the masculine. Okay, so we can write anyone. So Peter A. Almond is a German. Okay, Peter is German. Okay, so and these are the, see the exercise 2, it's a true false. Okay, so it is not mentioned in this reading part of this chapter. So okay, this exercise is based on exercise number 1. Okay, so the first one is Peter A. Ta Ami the Richard. Okay, Peter is a friend of Richard. It is not mentioned there. It's 4. Okay. Second one, Yoko A. Chinois. Okay, Yoko is Chinese. Yes, we have done this. Chinois. Okay, this is the nationality. This is the country name. Okay, so it's true. Then for third one, Yoko Habitation Allemand. Okay, Yoko live in German. No, it's 4. False. Okay, fourth one, Peter A. Allemand. Okay, Peter is German. Okay, so we have done here, yes, Peter is German, so it's vrai. Okay, or if you will write the anglais, that time it will be false. Okay, okay, so next one, exercise 3, a Matheon feminine. In see the first one, these all are the masculine forms. We have to change in feminine. Okay, so il est India, he is Indian. L A Indian. Okay, sorry, this E will not come. Okay, this S will not come, only this will be E double L E. Okay, right? L A Indian. Okay, if we will write S, this will be plural form. Okay, again I'm telling, first one part, the S will not come, this one, sorry, this one. Okay, cut this S and write E double L E only. Okay, A Indian. Okay, L A Indian, C is Indian. Okay, B part, ils sont français. In this L S will come, E double L E S, because this is the plural form. Okay, that's why feminine also plural. Okay, they are French, ils sont français, so elles sont français, they are French. Okay, C part, il est américain. Okay, he's American. Elle est américaine. Okay, elle est américaine. Okay, she is American. Okay, tu es espagnol, you are Spanish. Okay, tu es espagnol. Okay, sound will be changed, espagnol. Okay, so tu es espagnol. Okay, you are Spanish. Okay, E part, ils sont allemands. Okay, this is a plural form, they are German, so elles sont allemands. Okay, we will add es. Okay, so they are German. Okay, so this is your exercises. Okay, so you have to write and learn, and one more time I'm telling you, do the correction. This one, A part, in this only E double L E will come. Okay, this S will not come. Okay, rest of the exercise you have to write as it is, there will be no change. Okay, so thank you, take care everyone.